So let's recreate this hover effect over here. Hello, my name is Charles Kasasira. So I have two files over here. That's the index.html and style.css. And in the index.html, I would create a button. First, I would create the boilerplate, link it to my style.css file, and then over here, create a button. So this button would have the hover me. Then I would move to my style.css and define out the different styles. So the button, I would like it to have a position of relative. Font weight, let's go with 600 to make it a bit bold. Height of 40 pixels. Padding, let's give it 12 pixels vertically and 20 pixels horizontally. Then we'll turn the outline to none and the border to none too. We'll give it a background color of transparent and a border radius of 5 pixels. Then turn the cursor to a pointer. So this is what we have so far. Then we'll style out our button after. So button after, that's with content and position absolute. Give it a width of 100%. Then a top of 7 pixels and left 7 pixels. Height of 100% still. Let's scroll over here. And then a background color. So I'll give it an RGB 2557 246 184. Then give it a Z index of -1 and a transition all of 0.35 seconds. Not, this is 0. And it will inherit its border radius from the parent. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Then back here, so when we hover the button, so the button hover after, we'll take its top position back to 0 and then the left to 0 too. And this is what we have now. So when I hover, you see it moves back. But we don't have that border over the button initially, so let's add it. So here I'd said that's in the button styles, I'd set the border to none, so I'll switch it to 1 pixel solid black. And that's it. That's how to create this hover effect. See you in the next one.